up YouTube, it's your boy Catloco, back with another video, and today we're checking out a little something special. There you go, there's Gully. Let's get it. So what we got here is a 1985 Monte Carlo SS. Today I'm just taking off the tires. Is this how I got it? I'll dry rot it. Dry rot it. There goes SS. Got her all stored away. I got new tail lights. I got a new spoiler for it. You saw those CC seats I took out before. This is all cracked up. About there. So you got a little sneak peek. A Gully is a hardtop SS G car. There you go, LS. There she go. Little sneak peek. So I'm starting to take this wheel off. I took the lug nuts off of there. Look like we'll need another wheel stud. Probably just go all new studs anyway, because we're doing the Blazer brake upgrade, so we can get new studs, so that's not really a big deal. Over here, see if I can get these off. Using a 9 amp hour battery. I don't know where the other one went. Anyway. See, this is how we got them. All cracked and dry rotted. So I got all new tires. Bought a tire changer, so you can see me get these replaced. I do need to replace the rear tire. That has a different rim. I might have to do something else. But there you go. It sounds pretty good. You have some little dings on the door, which is normal. But it's a pretty nice car. I got some magnets holding on the tarp because it gets windy. Got tired of it blowing off. So I tied it to the wheel, but that didn't do much. But these little 95-pound Harbor Freight magnets, I just stick that on there. It's like someone holding it on there. I got a couple of those on here. But yep, that's the baby. Old yellow boy killer. Thumbnail. It's not pretty bad. It has like a 350 with a 292 cam already in it. But you know, that's coming out. It did run a couple months before I bought it, but it had like a bad distributor. So I might throw a battery in there and just try and crank it up. But it's not bad. It's a clean car. The only damage on it really is the fender on the driver's side and then the driver door. But if you're looking from afar, you can't even tell. Look like I'm missing trim right there. I gotta see what trim goes there. And this is the everybody call it red stripe, but this is like a red, orange, pink, a red, orange, pink stripe. One of the original colors. So you got a lot of orange stripes. I probably won't go the same stripe. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, I got new blazer brakes, new spindle, new backing plate. I gotta get a new hub. Slotted and drilled rotors. We're gonna go with that. I might have to get a new ball bearing. Eventually, we're gonna go all new suspension, new sway bar, QA1, UMI, something like that. Frame notch, definitely gonna have to do that. But yeah, saw the car. Took me forever to get one, and we finally got one. So while I'm here, I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of the inside. I got all new door handles. These things break all the time. I got all new door handles. All new interior handles. That side's there. That side's broken. Oh, I didn't know you had a steering wheel back here. But I think these are Bonneville seats, which a lot of people love. I hate. So you got a Bonneville interior. You got that B&M shifter right there. I gotta fix that window. Got a gangsta lean. So I got all the internals. I just need to try and adjust it. No headliner. Dash is there, but that's gonna get fiberglass or swapped out. When a dash is this bad, this is probably when I want to do, you know, the new school dash. I'm thinking about it. As long as I incorporate the Monte Carlo in it somewhere. You got a little speaker right there. Supposedly this thing did run and drive. I did see videos of this thing driving. I haven't driven it yet. They switched out the steering wheel. Looked like from a Cutlass or something. Got the old rocket steering wheel. You know, we're building a custom console. I got that Impala Malibu center console. I don't know if this is original. This might be. I don't know. But yeah, I'm showing you guys the before, how I got it. Okay, so I do have a lot in the interior. I didn't think I had a lot in the interior. I may have that door skin, that door panel. I have the rocker panels. I got the door seals. So I mean, I pretty much got a lot in the interior. I didn't think I'd have no visors. I got the pillar trim. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty much all there. Only thing I'm missing is that door panel, but it may be in the trunk or maybe in the back seat. I don't know. I want to say no. But this is Gully. This is what we starting with. AKA RedRum. AKA murder. Because we finna murder that little yellow boy. Yeah, but there she is. Got a Monte Carlo SS to the fleet. I've had this for several months actually. I just never showed it. LS was talking shit, so I have to show him it does exist. I may get a new cowl hood for it. The hood's fine. But there you go, random LS Cortez swaps. Blanco cousin. Blanco black cousin. 85 SS, Monte Carlo SS. Anyway, I'm about to finish taking off this last wheel. But anyway, as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.